the foundation of a long-lasting relationship. In a world where relationships often come and go, what does it take to build a lasting bond? Whether it's with a partner, a friend, or a family member, the foundation of any long-lasting relationship is built on key principles that stand the test of time. First, trust is the bedrock of any strong relationship. Without trust, the bond weakens. Trust allows you to feel safe with each other, creating an environment where both partners can grow, share, and be vulnerable. Trust takes time to build but can be shattered in seconds, which is why it's so important to nurture and protect it. Next is communication, the bridge that connects two hearts and minds. Open and honest communication keeps misunderstandings at bay and ensures that both partners are heard and valued. It's not just about talking. It's about listening with empathy and understanding, making the other person feel supported and validated. Then there's commitment. Relationships are not always easy. They require effort, patience, and perseverance. Commitment means standing by each other through the highs and lows, celebrating the successes, and weathering the storms together. Another essential pillar is respect. Respect means honoring each other's individuality, dreams, and boundaries. It's about lifting each other up and recognizing that you are partners. It's the glue that holds people together when life gets tough.